Picture this. You wake up at 9 a.m., grab your coffee, open your laptop, and by lunchtime, you've already made $100 without stepping outside your home. Sounds impossible, right? Today, I'm going to show you how thousands of everyday people are earning real money online through remote work and online jobs, and how you can start today. I used to think remote work was just for tech geniuses or people with special connections. But then, 3 years ago, I got laid off. I had bills to pay and no backup plan. Out of desperation, I applied for a simple online customer support role. That first paycheck, $240 for a week's work, changed everything. Today, I work remotely for global companies, helped others start their online careers, and discovered dozens of ways to make money from home, even without experience. And in this video, I'll break them down for you step by step. The first option is entry-level remote jobs. Virtual assistant roles are in high demand. You handle emails, manage schedules, or help with simple admin tasks, and you can earn between $15 and $30 an hour. Customer and chat support jobs are another easy way to start, especially if you're good with people. Many companies pay between $12 and $20 an hour. Online tutoring is also a great way to earn, especially if you can teach English, math, or any other skill. You can start small and grow your earnings over time. If you're more creative, there are freelance and creative jobs that pay well. Freelance writing lets you write blog posts, copy, or social media captions, and you can earn between $20 and $50 an hour. Graphic design is another option, and even if you're a beginner, you can use simple tools to create templates and designs for clients. Another overlooked job is transcription, listening to audio and typing it out, which can pay up to $25 an hour. Then there are side hustles and passive income streams. Print on demand is one of my favorites because you create designs once and earn forever. Affiliate marketing is another powerful path. You share products you already use and love, and you get paid a commission each time someone buys. Digital products like templates or ebooks can also generate consistent income once you set them up. The fastest way to get your first gig is to keep it simple. Focus on one skill or job, create a mini portfolio to show what you can do, and apply to multiple opportunities every single day. Don't wait for the perfect job. Take the first opportunity, even if it pays less. Over-deliver. Get those great reviews, and then move on to better-paying clients. Mindset is everything. Treat remote work like a real job. Set a schedule and stick to it. Keep learning so you can charge more for your skills. And most importantly, stay consistent. The people who succeed are the ones who keep showing up, even when it feels slow at the start. Imagine this. 30 days from now, you could be sitting at your desk, logging into your first remote job, earning your first $100 a day. You will have more freedom, less stress, and more control over your life. So here's your challenge. Pick just one method from today's list and take action this week. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because in my next video, I'm sharing how to double your remote income using free tools you probably already have.